Hello everybody, this is just a little bit at the end of I'm going to have to put up separate from the Happy Mail because I've got more here that Annette sent me and it did fall out into this bag. I thought I seen something fall out with these pretty things in there. I thought, wonder what happened to that. So, it was on the floor, under my chair actually. It just tipped out of there because I knocked it over. I didn't mean to, of course, but look what I got here. Wow, she cut up some bits and pieces here for me. Oh, look at these. These are nice. Thank you. You've got these out of magazines. Oh, wow. Look at that. Lovely ones. Oh, thank you. These are really pretty. And books and things. Oh, look what I got here. People's clothes. I love... Oh, look at this. I love this. Oh, wow. You're good at this fussy cutting, aren't you? You're lovely doing it. You're good at the fussy cutting. Lovely fussy cutting. Wow. Oh dear, you know what? I've got ideas. I've got some ideas for these. Oh yes, I do. I'm actually still making my sewing journal, but this I could do a little fashion one, couldn't I, for the 70s or something. Oh, look at them. I do love this stuff, isn't it? Nice. Oh, look at that. And I've got tiny bits of everything here. Let's stuck together. Oh, that's one thing. What's that thing? Wait a minute. I don't know. Oh, that way. Dresses. Look at all the dresses. Thank you so much. Oh dear, I love these. Wow. I have to show you because I seen this packet and I thought, oh, look at that. And I have to show you. I do have to show you. And there's so many. Where did you find all these amazing things? Look at them all. Thank you so much. Oh, look at this. They're good. You've cut them out of books of some sort, and that's good though. Recycling is love that outfit. Oh, look at this. Thank you, Annette. These are really awesome. Look at that. I can do some paper people and things, can't I? Love it. Absolutely do. I've got an idea already. Look at me. I've got an ideas. And then I've got a bike. I don't think... maybe could have tried once to ride a bike when I was young. Wasn't my thing. My sister always wanted one. I did not want a bike. Didn't impress me at all. I figured I might fall off, I suppose, I don't know. And these are really good, thank you. Ah, look at them, aren't they nice? All the tops, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful they are. Thank you so much for all these lovely things. Tops and bottoms and dresses and, wow, handbags. Oh, you've done some cutting out. Oh, dear. Oh, I used to cut out a lot of things once, but I don't know. I get started and then I think, oh, no, just can't keep going. Oh, look at the pretty things. They're so pretty. So I might put these up close together, one after the other, because I want you to see all this lovely stuff that this lady sent me. And she's so kind, sharing this with me. I hadn't been out shopping for a long time. We all couldn't go out. Now we can't go again. I think we're stuck again. Oh, thank you so much, Annette. These are awesome. Aren't they good? I love them. Don't lose them again, Sonia. Put them in here. I might put them in a little box somewhere so I don't lose the plastic bag amongst the rest of the thing. And look at this I've got here. Now, I'm going to use some of these. I'm sure I'm going to have to use some of these in something soon, because look, I was looking at this lady here. She looked really nice in my book, won't she? There's a little bit there, and that loses little hat. That lady, and this will look nice in there too, in my lace journal. And this one. I like this. This is nice. The ideas are starting to come to me flat out here. Look at that. Wow. Oh, thank you. I'm being inspired, I tell you. I've got some glue stick. Thank you very much. Oh, these are not little pretty. Look at the pretty little card, little pictures, little beautiful pictures. Wow, thank you so much. Look at that. These look nice on the cover of a journal too, wouldn't they? Put a little bit of decoration on them. You know, hope you can see this behind. What am I doing? Hope you can see what I'm doing. There's another nice one for her lace plate journal. Wow. Thank you so much, Annette. I really, really love these. I really do. Absolutely beautiful pieces. And then these two here. So she's got these out of magazines or books. Yeah, really pretty pieces, aren't they? Really beautiful. Thank you so much. I really like them. I do. I'm actually going to do a tutorial on using one of these in a minute. You might see it today, could see it tomorrow or whatever. Whether I do it when it follows what have I got here? I like that one. And that one. I like them all, but for what I want to do with them now. Where's that first one I said? I've seen here. What do I do with it? Maybe that one. It's under here. We go here. So I've kept out that one. That one might be a little bit dark, the background, but I can use it into something else. I might, and this one here, there's 4 there. I want to try and do something with those. Plus I want to do something with these dress bits. There's a little, I can only do one thing at a time. I know, it's just not fair, is it? You can only do one thing at a time. Lots of glue. Thank you so much. Oh, you ladies are so good to me. I've got my glue. I've got glue sticks now, and I've got all that other glue from Christina. So Christina and Annette, you're keeping me in supplies. You are. You're good ladies. Keeping me in supplies. Right. There's over there. That there. That there. Actually, this one here too was something I thought would be pretty in the gee, it's nearly dark outside only because it's overcast, only because of the weather. I'll see what sort of thing I can put in my book. Okay, so I've got light shine on all this, so I might go now and I'll come back and I'll do a video on working with some of these to make something out of them, or you know, incorporate them into something. So thank you everybody for watching, and thank you so much, Annette, for these beautiful gifts. So I love them all. Thank you very, very much. Talk to you later. Bye bye.